Whether covering your leftovers, wrapping your sandwiches, or even baking your cookies, aluminum foil is a staple in every kitchen. But did you know that using aluminum foil can be dangerous? Scientists have been warning us about the potential risks associated with this everyday kitchen staple. In this informative video, we will tell you all you need to know about the dangers of aluminum foil. Today we will be talking about the dangers present with using aluminum foil. Make sure you watch till the end to find out why aluminum may not be a good addition to your kitchen utensils. But before we get right in, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video from us. So let's get started. Why is aluminum foil dangerous? Well, it all comes down to the fact that aluminum is a metal that can easily leach into our food. When aluminum foil comes into contact with acidic or spicy foods, the acid or the spices can cause small amounts of aluminum to be released from the foil and into your food. This is especially true when the foil is heated, such as when you're grilling or baking. But why should we be concerned about aluminum in our food? Well, for starters, aluminum is a known neurotoxin. That means it can adversely affect our brain and nervous system. Studies have linked high levels of aluminum exposure to cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and even seizures. And that's not all. Aluminum exposure has also been linked to other health problems, such as bone disorders, kidney damage, and even cancer. I know some of you might be thinking, but wait, isn't aluminium safe to use in food? The World Health Organization, WHO, and the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, say so. And yes, you're right. Food is generally considered low and safe by regulatory agencies such as the WHO and the FDA. However, it is still important to consider the cumulative effect of aluminum exposure from all sources, including food, antacids, vaccines, and other products. So what can you do to reduce your risk of aluminum exposure? The first thing you can do is stop using aluminum foil for cooking or food storage. Instead, opt for glass, ceramic, or stainless steel containers. If you must use aluminum foil, avoid heating it and never use it with acidic or spicy foods. Likewise, not all aluminum foils are created equal. Some aluminum foils are coated with an epoxy resin or a polymer, which can prevent aluminum from leaching into your food. However, these coatings are not always reliable and can wear off over time, so it's still best to err on the side of caution and avoid using aluminum foil altogether. An alternative that you can use instead of aluminum foil is parchment paper. Parchment paper is a heat-resistant, non-stick paper that is safe to use in the oven, and it's also biodegradable and compostable, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Another alternative is beeswax wraps. These are made from natural materials like beeswax, tree resin, and jojoba oil, which make the wraps sticky and moldable. They are reusable and biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly option. In summary, while aluminum foil is an everyday kitchen staple, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks associated with its use. By taking simple precautions and being mindful of other sources of aluminum exposure, we can reduce our risk and protect our health. However, it's also important to consider that the studies linking aluminum exposure to health problems are mainly based on occupational exposure to high levels of aluminum and not on the levels that are found in food. And more research is needed to understand the effects of aluminum in food and the safe level of consumption. Before we bring this session to a close, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you have any concerns, please drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next one.